Good morning, my dear students. Today we'll be having the 7th standard English term 2 unit 2 poem. Okay, the wandering singers. Hope you people know what is the wandering singers. I have already explained you in terms. Okay, so in this lesson we'll be having the traditional way of singing. Okay, now summary of wandering singers. The poem Wandering Singers is about the band of people, singers who wander from one place to another to unfold the message of affection through their singing. They play the flute and move from one place to another. The voice of the wind indicates the welcoming tone of the song. To the wandering singers, all humanity is like their relatives, and therefore the world is their homes. Because they travel from one place to another, no, they migrate from one place to. That's why they don't have a proper house or whatever. Wherever they sing a song, they'll be having a tent over there, and they'll be staying. They won't expect for much more money. They won't expect for a house to stay. Okay, they'll adjust with what is life. The motive of the songs that they sing goes back to stories of ancient battles. They even had songs concerning the wonders of ladies and concerning happy and unhappy things. The wandering singers do not have any dreams or hopes of their own. They are going along with the winds. No one will build them go slow, or no joy will west cardiac them to attend. Now, shall we move to the poem lines? Wandering singers. Where? The voice of the wind calls our wandering feet. Can you understand now what is the voice of the wind? When they travel from one place to another playing the flute noise will come, voice will come in the air to the people. Okay, through echoing forest and echoing street, with lutes in our hands, ever singing we roam. All men are kindred, the world is a home. So they don't have one place, isn't it? They move from one place to another to convey the message for the people. So they don't have a proper, like before I have already told you, they don't expect for a settled life. They always migrate from one place to another. That's why the world is the home for them. Our lays are of cities whose luster is shed. Okay, wherever they go for singing, they used to make a shelter, they used to stay over there. Okay, the laughter and beauty of women long dead. They used to talk about the wonder and worries which the woman has come across from this cruel world. The sword of old battles. They talk also about the old battles, the freedom fighters. They used to talk about the old crown kings. Okay, the life of the king, they used to the sacrifice life of the kings, the struggle the king made up of, all this will come under their songs. And happy and simple and sorrowful things, they used to sing about happy songs also, happy moments also. Okay, and sorrow moment and simple moments also. The news which the people wants to know, they used to convey through their songs. Okay, what hope shall we gather? What dream shall we sow? They are telling us this life is not a thing which we can even hold. Okay, the life is still existing. Okay, we shall hope we gather. What hope shall we? The life is hopeless now. Okay, there is nothing guaranteed that tomorrow we may stay. Okay, whatever may happen that we don't know, but still, when till we present, we have to be very kind to everybody around us. Where the wind calls a wandering footstep we go. That's what they used to say. Wherever the wind calls us, we used to go by this wandering singers. No love bids us tarry, no joy bids us wait. Okay, nothing makes them stop to do this service. Nothing makes them stop. Nothing makes them worry. Okay, the voice of the wind is the voice of our fate. They also tells that the voice of the wind, okay, is the voice of a fate. Fate means fortune. Okay, by Sarojini Naidu. Wandering singers return to one of their tunes. The same poem only. Okay, now let's see about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu, The poet, freedom fighter, and patriotic was also known by the sobriquet the Nightingale of India. The Nightingale of India is a sub-name for Sarojini Naidu ji. Okay, she was a sensitive poet and wrote poetry based on the beauty of simple joys and sorrows. She always concentrated on the simple poems. Okay, because each and everybody should understand the literary work. That is the beauty. Okay, her poetry included children poem, nature poem, poem on love and death, etc. Sarojini Naidu is a poet of India, thought and culture, and her poems described Indian flora and fauna, Indian customs and traditions, festivals, men and women, places, legends of kings and queens, etc. And this is the literary works which she actually follows on, concentrated on also. The poem Wandering Singers by Sarojini Naidu is about the band of folk singers who wander from town to town, from village to village, to spread the message of love through their singing. They play the lute, a musical instrument, as they roam from one place to place. The voice of wind symbolizes the welcoming tone of the song that echoes through the forest and streets. To all their wandering singers, all mankind are like their extended family and the world is their home itself. The theme of the song that they sing goes back to the stories of ancient battles or of old. The theme of the song that they sing go back to the ancient battles or the old king. They have also sung about the beauty of woman and about the sad things which she come across. The wandering singers have no dreams or hopes of their own. They go wherever the wind calls them. Okay. Now this is the image of the wandering singers. This is the crew and band of the wandering singers. Thoughts about Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was a child prodigy, Indian independent activist and poet. Jawaharlal Nehru in his book The Discovery of India writes, I was not only the display of courage and daring, but what was even more surprising was the organizational power she showed. Aldous Huxley wrote, it has been our good fortune while in Bombay to meet Mr. Sarojini Naidu, the newly elected president of the All India Congress, and a woman who combines in the most remarkable way great intellectual power with charm, sweetness with courageous energy, a wide culture with originality, and earnest with humor. If all Indian politicians are like Mrs. Naidu, then the country is fortunate indeed. This is the words by Jawaharlal Nehru. Now let's see about the book back answers for Sarojini Naidu poem. Pick out the rhyming words. Okay, feet, street, roam, home, dead, shed, dead, king, thing, so, go, wait, fate. So this is the image in the wandering singers. Okay, veena, piano, guitar, merudangam, violin, tabela, flute, gadam. Nadaswaram also. These are all the lines which has been given over here, where the voice of the wind calls a wandering feet, whose wandering feet is referred to here. Answer. The wandering feet of the band of folk singer, with lutes in our hands, ever singing we roam. All men are kindred, the world is a home. Whom does we refer to? We refer to the wandering singers with the musical instrument. Its name is lute. Okay. How the men are in the world. All the men in the world are their extended family and the world is their home. Are lays of cities whose luster is shed. Here lays means stories. The laughter of and beauty of women long dead means the wandering singer are about the laughter and beauty of women who were dead along. Okay, this is the paragraph answers And this is the question answers. This is the poem comprehension. Wandering singers. How do the singers sing? Okay, all this is for your references. This is the mind map for you. Okay, please do remember this. Start writing your classworks. Okay, hope you understand the poem. This is a very simple poem which we have. Okay.